and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, which is the final of these because now the Ipsy BoxyCharm merger has taken place. This is the last one of the Glam Bag Plus line, which is so sad that this will be the last of the little tote bags they ever send out. It was pretty cute. I love that it was blue, my fave. It's got the same design that was on the zipper pull of the regular Ipsy Glam bags from March. So anyway, yeah, end of an era for that because the Ipsy BoxyCharm tier that is taking over this one, they're no longer doing the bags. Which depresses me because the bags were my favorite part. But anyway, so I do have a card in here, but it does not tell me shit. Probably because I got add-ons, so I'll just show you what I got. So I know this for sure was an add-on. It's from Complex Culture, and it's a hot tool placement and storage sleeve, which I have desperately needed for quite a while. So you have no idea how happy I was to see this in the pop-up shop. I was like, oh god, yes, please, for the love of God, don't be sold out. And it wasn't, so I was able to get it. I'll show you what it is, because frankly, it's going into rotation like as soon as I finish filming this. Let's go ahead and just tear that off there. So you just can lay it down on your counter. Either way, it doesn't really matter. And your hot tools, like say you have a straightening iron or a curling iron or what have you, just set it down on this on your counter. This won't melt and it won't scorch your counter. It's all good. And then you can store it inside of it safely without worry. That is a game changer for me. So I absolutely had to have this. If it works out as well as it's supposed to, I may even buy a second one if I see them selling it again. So, because I'd like to have one for my straightener and for my curler. These, I think, were... Actually, I don't remember if this was a choice item or if this was an add-on. But it's a set of scrunchies. They've got stars on them, therefore I had to have them because Ringo. So, you know, we've got navy blue with gold stars. We have a lavender with gold stars. We have a metallic silver and a silky black. So, all of those are good. All of those are going to be used. Hell yeah. Then we have from Mally Cosmetics. This is the Best Dressed Lids, Neutrals and Bolds 14 Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadows collection. The color names are Cocktail Hour, Date Night, After Hours, Girls Night Out, Beach Day, Late Brunch, Power Lunch, Charity Gala, Monday Meeting, Book Club, Dance Party, Black Tie Event, Romantic Picnic, and Music Concert. So I will open it up to show you guys the colors because I want to see them too. Oh, it's cute. Oh. Okay, so actually they are like less colorful than the box made them seem, but it's okay. These are all very usable colors, so. Anything that I didn't really have in my collection before? Admittedly no, but again, they can definitely be used. It's all about the consistency and the formula, so it may be better than the ones I currently have. I don't know. I know a lot of people say a lot of good things about Mally, so I'm pretty excited to try it, because I think it's the first thing I've had from that brand. And then we have from Pat McGrath Labs, Lust Gloss Lip Gloss in the color Heavy Petal. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. And this is Heavy Petal. I'm like, oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness. And this looks like little jewels up the side. It just, oh my goodness. I love the whole aesthetic. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to tell, does it say something on there? Kind of. Not really. Well, it has a sticker on the bottom that tells me what it is anyway, so I'll still be able to tell what it is once it's properly opened and in rotation. But we will review that another day. So I'll stick that over here for now. What are we? From Lavito, Inspired by Nature. Ah, damn it. This is the Musking Coconut Aromatic Body Lotion. When this bag very first came, I opened to take a peek at what was in here, and just holding this like this, I had the worst allergic reaction I have had in months. So I am going to just bury that under the silicone sleeve over here while I do the rest of the video and prepare for the rest of my day to probably be wrecked by having that near me. Gonna see if I can off-sell that on eBay. If I can't, I'll give it to my mom and just ask her to not wear it around me, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I can do with it. So from Surfin' Botanicals, we have the Cherimoya and Fig Long-Lasting Vegan Lip Stain in... Well, I guess that's just the name. I guess there's not a color name. So it looks like this. Which for some reason I was expecting purple, but then I was like, hey, purple would be plum, not fig. You know what a fig looks like, and then, yeah, that is actually about correct. So there's that. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. I want to say I have this already. I might be wrong. What is rattling around in here? Oh, the little spatula thing. I was like, what the hell is that? But it's this little guy is what I'm hearing. Okay. But yeah, I'll double check. If I already have this, I may off-sale that one too. Just because I don't think I need to, especially because the sleep masks I don't use as sleep masks because I sleep on my stomach, so I can't really use sleep masks overnight or it'll be like all over like my arm and my pillow. So for me I have to like wear them during the day and it's a big pain in the butt. So usually I just don't with sleep masks, but anyway. From Tarte, we have their H2O Balm from the Tarte C line in the color Room Service. Let's see. I think I heard a rumor recently that they're doing away with this line, which makes me sad, but also makes sense why all of a sudden so much of it is turning up in the beauty boxes, but it's a pretty color, though. Happy to have that. I'm sure it'll be lovely to use. And then, finally, last thing in here, which my sister could about kill me for. From Beauty Bakery, it's the Do It For The Gram eyeshadow palette. It pisses her off so much that I get so much Beauty Bakery stuff. She's like, you're not even the one that bakes! I'm into makeup and baking, and I don't own anything by them. And I'm like, Kim, you have money. You could buy this stuff, too. If I get dupes anything, I'll let you know, but so far, sorry, kiddo, I want these, too. So, let's see what we got. We have, by the way, that is just the cutest packaging, is it not? Oh, and it doesn't have a mirror. Fabulous. So there's no color names on these. It's just the shades. But look how pretty. Oh, I'm gonna have fun playing with these. Especially looking at that bright gold one. I'm like, ooh, I like you already. So, let's pop this back in there. But yeah, that is what I got in my March Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Mostly pretty good stuff, except for, you know, the one thing that I definitely can't use, so just trying to get that out of here ASAP, because I already, even just having it this close to me, I'm like, I already feel it, so I was like, ah, shit. Anyways, so, anywho, what are you the most excited to see me review first? Let me know down below. If you're an Ipsy member and you get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, what did you get in your March bag? Let me know that, as well as anything about anything down below. And as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.